everyone, I'm Angi again with a new album. It's very different because it don't have any pages or pockets, but it has a small cute envelopes. As you can see, in total there are 7 envelopes with a lot of fussy cutting, die cuts, sentiments done on them. I have even used some small background stamps for background to make it more beautiful. There is a small card in this with the small fussy cutting over here on the top, and it's even distressed on the edges to give us some little vintage look. I really like to do that. In total there are 7 envelopes, and all 7 envelopes contains those tags, and here are some small fussy cuttings. There's a bird, leaf, and some sentiments too on the right and left of the album. So let me know in the comment section how you like this album, and don't leave channel without subscribing. Thank you, and for photographs do check my blog. Bye bye.